Have you ever wondered if Bluehost includes free SSL certificates with all its hosting plans? Well, buckle up because we are diving deep into this question. An SSL certificate is your website's best friend, helping secure your visitors' data and establish trust. So, let's see if Bluehost has your back with this essential feature. Bluehost is not holding back on providing free SSL certificates across all their plans. This is fantastic news for both newbies and seasoned webmasters looking to bolster their site's security. Automatically installed, it requires no technical savviness to keep your site running smoothly and securely. To wrap it all up, Bluehost providing free SSL certificates for every plan is a game changer. Security is critical in today's digital landscape, so having this feature included at no additional cost is a huge advantage. With an SSL certificate, you're not just protecting your site, but also enhancing visitor confidence. So go ahead and build that secure site. Click the link below to see their packages and pricing.